All right, bench is all loaded up, ready to go back. Looking good. Yeah. All right, let's go bring it to the client. Should be happy. All right. Let's get on out there. All right, handyman business. It varies. Washing machine problems, plumbing problems, sink leaking, toilet needs to be rebuilt, whole toilet, you know, everything. I mean, just, yeah, doesn't the plumber supposed to do all that? Electrical, you know, installing ceiling fans. They called me out to change light bulbs. Yeah. Change the electrical eye, you know what I mean, for a dust to dawn light, you know, everything. I mean, these clients I have here, and that's the whole deal about the business is, first of all, I mean, you have to have some kind of skill, some kind of common sense to be able to perform basic maintenance. Like I said, the handyman business, every call is going to be different. You know, I have clients that own just trailers. They live in the trailer. I have clients that own 9 or 10 trailers in the trailer park that they rent out. I have clients that own several different real estate properties around town, and they constantly need repairs done on them. I mean, homes are just like cars. You use it, it's going to break. And with the pandemic and people being home a lot more, the last 6 months, things have broke a lot more. But a lot of things can be fixed by homeowners. They just don't have the time to do it. And most of it's just common sense. It don't take a lot of skill to be able to do a lot of the things I do. You know, I didn't have to go to school for it. But you do have to have some kind of trying to take I just work like this. Alright. Beep beep beep, that means edit. That's my signals to me when I'm editing. And I'm still learning how to edit. You can go back to my first video where we just put one out there and put it up there. In a screen as it's title. That was it. That's the thumbnail. So I'm still learning and I haven't invested $300 or $400 in software, which right now I'm using the free stuff. I haven't even subscribed to the premium stuff because I haven't found the one that might fit me yet. I'm using the computer I have, I'm using the phone I have, I'm using my GoPro as my main action camera, and I'm going to be, I do what I can for lights and outrage. No, really. I mean, I'll go Home Depot one day and show you what I'm talking about. Sometimes I'll build a lighting kit for someone, you know, dealing with their, you know, hallway to the rooms to office area, because sometimes they need certain lights for the kids to be able to do their home. They got a lot of kids doing homeschool work now, and they need different needs for the kids, different needs for mom, different needs for dad, because his office is at home sometimes. Some of the dads want different kind of lighting needs for their garages, which Alrighty. Item delivered. Client happy. my day is done. The thing that we're going to be doing is, I haven't made a schedule yet. I'm trying to do that where I'll be on a regular schedule of posting videos. But going to Home Depot, going to Walmart, going to Lowe's, and a few other places. My wife's barber shop. So she's called me a lot. And that's what I'm planning on doing. And also, I mean, you know, when I get to 1,000 subscribers, then I better go live in the store. I better take my phone and pop up in the store and go live. Hey, and show y'all the deals going on right there. And I want to do it locally. I mean, they have, like, you know, they got two mainline guys. Jeff Stroff, he has a channel. I have to put a description in my, I guess I can put it, I'm figure out, because I've still got to do my page. I'm still working on building my page. I ain't even did my introduction video yet, my introduction trailer video yet. But I'm getting, I'm just trying to get some footage together so I can edit it and maybe put some of that stuff together while I'm driving.